What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody had a good break. This will be the first video of the year. Guess what, guys? Finally picked up the project car. It's literally the first year model Subaru that I've ever owned. 2005 STI. The one I owned was a silver one. And I don't think you can beat the old school Subies. So that's going to be our project car. Check it out. Let me know what you think. I did pick it up with, I think, roughly like over 100,000 miles on it. Super clean. It did have an engine failure on it, kind of standard Subaru problems. But now we're gonna rebuild it. It has an 18G on it from Blouch turbos. It has 850cc injectors. I think a paired intake, full turbo back exhaust already. So we just gotta take it apart, put it back together, put some forged pistons in it, ACL race bearings, slap it back together, and we're gonna go have some fun. Between snow, try to do some track events. I don't know, just all of the above. Whatever we can get into, we're gonna try to get into this year. Switch gears, and stop working all the time and start playing. So, guys, this is the new 2005 Subaru STI. Like one of the most iconic Subarus I think that there is, and I'm gonna have to say probably the best body style. And to tell you the truth, I probably own 20 plus Subarus, and I've never owned a blue one, and of course this is no different. Of course I didn't pick up a blue one because they're hard to find, but it's the second best color, if not like a teeter for the best color, because I like the white too, and this is a classic setup with the white and the gold rims. So, and it's got the limited 07 inkies on it. They're painted gold, so it looks really good. But that's going to be our project car. Y'all let me know what you think. I'm trying to think if you have any suggestions of what you would run, drop a comment below, and drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think. I think it's going to be a fun little adventure, and hell, we get a tinker with Subaru, so it's always going to be a good day. And then we get to go beat him. But I do think the 05 is one of the best models. It's the right size car. I think the new ones have gotten way big and bulky, and it slows them down. But I mean, don't get me wrong, I do like the new ones too, but I think you're more connected in the older ones, and they got more shakes and rattles, which Subaru is also known for. But alright guys, y'all check it out, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. 2005 STI project car that I picked up. Like I said, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We're going to do a lot of videos on this car. I'm going to change out the seats, the interior, try to redo some stuff. I noticed it's got some little holes up here, and I'm going to just clean it up, try to make it our own, and try to make it clean and fast. So, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.